You know, the average parent and or individual that comes in and like you go over all their scans, they're negative, and then everybody just looks and you're like, so there's no concussion.
Oh my God. Yeah. 100%. Or they describe like the most classic concussion ever. And they're like, we're just here to find out if they have a concussion. And you're like, yes.
I'm like, well, I got news for you.
You just told me they did.
Yes.
Which a great chance for education about what a concussion is. Concussion
Absolutely.
precautions. I don't like the pre-canned discharge instructions. I have my own.
Yeah, they always suck everywhere. I think
Oh my
ours at
God.
our place, they like grade it mild to severe. I'm like, we don't do that anymore.
Yeah. It's terrible. And they're like, put your child in a dark basement for the next 3 years.
Yeah.
Oh my God. No.
No sunlight. Don't even think about kicking that ball outside.
They'll never play sports again. And I have a special one just for like infants as well, because you're not going to give the same concussion precautions to an infant as you are to a 6-year-old.